Welcome. In this video, we will be talking about doing basic searching in the Crosse Public Library Catalog. Doing a basic search, which is also known as a simple or quick search, is very easy to do. When you enter the Crosse Public Library Catalog, you'll be on our splash page. If you notice here towards the top is a box that says Search the Catalog. Simply click in that box and you can type in any search term, subject, title, author, or any keywords that may help you find the items you're looking for. Let's try searching for the term bicycling. So type in your search, and after you've typed it in, you can hit enter on your keyboard or click on the search button. After clicking on the search button, your search results will be displayed in the middle of the screen. Notice at the top of the screen, there is now a tab called Bicycling. This tab will contain the search results for that term. Notice also here it says Winding Rivers Library System. When you search the Crosse Public Library Catalog, you are also searching all the other libraries within the Winding Rivers Library System. At the top of your search results, the items down below cover art is displayed. You can browse visually through this by left clicking on the blue bar and moving it left to right. You will notice that cover art is not available for all items in the catalog, but for items that are, they appear here. An easy way to visually stroll through items in the catalog. If you select an item title down below, it will then move the image carousel up above to reflect the item selected below. Note that your results are displayed in columns, the first being format, where it shows you visually if it's a book, a map, and other types of materials, including videos. Next is shown title, author, publication date, and finally availability. It will tell you how many of that item is currently available for checkout. If you click on this button, the availability button, it will show you where that item is currently held, its call number, and its status. You can also go in to see the full record for the item or reserve the title. We will talk about reserving titles in another video. You can sort the columns by clicking on them. Author, or by date if you want the newest items first, and or availability if you only want to see available items. You can also select this box up here to sort by relevance. The catalog will then try to determine the item that best suits your search request. This is similar to what Google does with websites. You can also change which columns are to be displayed in your search results by clicking on this gear icon to the right. Notice that publisher is not checked, so it's not being displayed. I can uncheck format or any other items that I do not wish to have displayed. To close it, simply click on the icon again. Notice now that format and publisher are not being displayed. I can change that as often as I wish. I can also change the width of a column by placing my cursor between two headers, left clicking and holding down the mouse button, and dragging left or right. There is another option for viewing your search results. Up here above the image carousel, you'll see grid, which is our current display, and list. let's select List. In List View, the image carousel is removed. This is more akin to a traditional catalog view. You have the item information, you have a reserve button, and you have location information displayed directly in the list. You can also sort your results in this view. By default, it's sorted by relevance. You can click on the pull-down menu to the right and select Title, Author, Publication Date, Newest First, or Oldest First. Let's select Publication Date, Newest First. So that's a basic search. You can also start more basic or simple searches at any time by simply clicking in the Search the Catalog box up to the right and typing in a new term. Let's type in a title. Pedaling Revolution. And once again, I can hit Enter on the keyboard, or I can click on the search icon to execute a simple search. Notice that we're still in List View. I can switch that back to Grid View if that's my preference. Another thing to note at this point is that up to the top, you will see the Bicycling tab, and you'll see a new tab called Pedaling Revolution. Every time you start a new search, it will open it in a new tab. This makes it very, very easy to return to previous searches by simply clicking on the tab. To close a tab, all you have to do is click on the X on the right side of the tab. If you have multiple tabs open and you wish to close them all, you can click on the red X here on Close All Search Tabs. And you will see that all of my search tabs have been removed. And from here, I can start searching once again. That's basic searching in the La Crosse Public Library Catalog. It's quick, it's easy, and quite frankly, fun to do. We hope you enjoy.